Hey guys, welcome to Team 5. I am Phước and here are my teammates Mạnh, Hiếu, Tạo and Chương. Today we will introduce you to the concept of just-in-time aka JIT. In this video, I will show you the definition, the working principle, pros and cons, example and the type of company apply JIT in their production management. Okay, let's start it.
Oh my god, this report looks like a stock market chart from 2008. Call the managers is before this company goes bankrupt too. Hurry up!
Yeah, give me a moment. Hopefully they won't bring any more red number of them.
But our inventory is building up like an exhibition. The storage costs are going through the roof, and I don't know how to reduce it anymore.
Hell nah, and on top of that,
The customer are demanding faster delivery. We're not flexible enough to keep up with their needs. We need something to help us.
Alright then, maybe we'll start using JIT in our business model. Have you ever heard of it?
What's that one? But will it help us to reduce our inventories?
Okay, imagine a small car manufacturing company in Japan struggling to compete with the giants of the automotive industry in the 1970s. This company, Toyota, faced numerous challenges such as limited financial resources, scarce raw materials, and the need to produce high-quality vehicles efficiently. One day, Daiichi Ono, a veterinary engineer at Toyota, observed the way supermarkets manage their inventory. He noticed that supermarkets only stock what they need and replenish items just as they were sold. The observation sparked an idea. What if Toyota could apply the same principle to its manufacturing process? Thus, the just-in-time model was born. JIT is a production strategy that aims to improve the business return on investment by reducing in-process inventory and associated carrying costs. The core idea is to receive goods only as they are needed in the production process, minimizing inventory costs and reducing waste.
Sound right. So based on the name JIT aka just in time means what exactly? Does it mean we can fix our slow order processing?
Exactly. With JIT, everything is planned so that material and products are ready to move from one process to the next right away. That way, your workflow won't be delayed or stuck waiting, and you will minimize wastage time from workers or equipment having to wait for material to show up.
So, for more specifically, can I ask you a question about how JIT model actually works? And could you explain in more detail how we would apply this system?
First, JIT allows for low inventory levels. It helps save warehouse space and cuts costs by avoiding capital being tied up and reducing storage. We also won't have to deal with leftover stock if orders get cancelled or aren't completed. We only order materials when we have a customer order. Second, we need to make smaller patches to reduce work-in-process inventory, save storage space, and make it easier to spot mistakes.
Oh, for example, if we used to make 50 units per pack and didn't sell them all, we would be using up space for another patch. But if we reduce that to 10 units, we save space and only produce more as needed based on market demand. Is that right?
Exactly. Third, this system requires a fixed layout. We can place similar equipment or products close together to reduce transport time or waiting.
So it's like putting the machining equipment closer to the assembly area. Workers can communicate better and the central process will be faster. Is that what you mean?
That's right. It cuts down wasted time. And fourth, we need to maintain our equipment just in time and regularly. Replace parts that show signs of wear before they cause a bigger issues. Let's make sure that we have a repair team ready to replace worn-out component rather than waiting for things to break down completely.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, fifth, we need to train a multi-skilled workforce. We need to be able to multiple jobs like running processes, operating machines and do maintenance, so they can switch roles and help out where needed. 6. JIT use a pull system instead of push. This means production is based on demand, not overproducing to stockpile. From now on, tasks will flow according to the next step needs.
That work, boss. So when a part is done, if only gets sent to inspection when it is ready, we won't be rushing work forward for no reason anymore.
So we are going to waiting forever for the next step to be ready. If we use the push system, the work just keep moving and we would waste less time, right?
Let me explain. A push system can show work until next day before it's ready, causing bottlenecks like the parking lot at rush hour. The pull system is more likely only letting cars in, and when there's a spot available, it helps us manage the flow better and cuts down on waste. Trust me, pull is a better way to avoiding turning work into a never-ending chase.
Oh my god, that actually makes sense. Thanks for enlightening me, Seth.
Finally, we're not just reducing inventory and costs, we need to continuously improve. The goal now is to do things more efficiently, reducing assembly time, boost productivity, and eliminate waste.
Yes, just from now on, we will aim to finish a batch in 10 hours, but by the end of the year, we will bring it down to 8 hours and keeping it improving.
Great! To sum it up, remember the main goal of JIT is to balance the system and show a steady and continuous product flow, reduce inventory, save time, and optimize manpower. To achieve this, we need to firstly eliminate disruption, meaning that we have to deal with the equipment breakdowns, changes in scheduling and supply delays. The second one is increase flexibility, meaning the system should easily adapt to changes to optimize production. And final is eliminate waste, meaning that reducing the sabotage of waste, overproduction, waiting, transportation, excess inventory, excess materials, defects, and unnecessary motion.
Wow, this system is really impressive. We can reduce inventory, warehouse costs, block space, defect, and processing time. Our worker and machine will be used more flexibility too. Plus, product quality will improve while costs go down. We are going to make a huge profit this time.
Yeah, to minimize that risk, we should have backup agreement with multiple suppliers and maintain a minimum stock of materials. That way, if one supplier has an issue, we will have a plan B in place to avoid disruption.
Oh, that's a solid solution. Now we don't have to worry about unexpected problems.
Famous for its JIT inventory system, Toyota Motor Corporation orders parts only when it receives new car orders. Although the company installed this method in the 1970s, it took 20 years to perfect it. Sadly, Toyota's JIT inventory system nearly caused the company to come to a halt in February 1997 after a fire at Japanese older automotive parts supplier Aisin decimated its capacity to produce P-valves for Toyota's vehicles. Because Aisin is the sole supplier for this part, its weak shutdown caused Toyota to halt production for several days. This caused a ripple effect where other Toyota parts suppliers likewise had to temporarily shut down because the automaker had no need for their parts during that time period. Consequently, this fire cost Toyota 160 billion in revenue. The JIT inventory system is popular with small businesses and major corporations alike because it enhances cash flow and reduces the capital needed to run this business. Retailer, restaurants, on-demand publishing, tech manufacturing, and automobile manufacturing are examples of industries that have benefited from just-in-time inventory. Awesome! Alright, that's wrap up the meeting. Good luck with your work and see you in the next meeting.
Yeah.